That was on the TV? You saw a commercial for that?
Ellie, this is
Ellie,
for
you
you.
are the cutest thing I've ever seen.
This is for you, Ellie. Thank
That's for you?
you. It's the food. Look it's just a box.
It's just a box. Oh no, Daddy, you're gonna have to open it.
Oh, man.
Oh, I got a 3DS.
What?
What?
Oh my, let me, look at
What
that.
is that,
The
Caleb?
3DS.
What does that mean?
I don't know. It's awesome though.
Wait a minute, what's that say? 3DS. Oh, you got an extra large 3DS. Look, it's like an extra big screen.
Awesome.
That's totally wicked. Ellie, I like your box.
I need to open it.
Oh, peanuts.
Oh, peanuts, yay.
Peanuts. Not peanuts.
What's in
What
there?
is peanuts?
What is it?
Oh, it's a dollhouse. Dollhouse.
It's a barn, Ellie.
How do you open that thing?
Hold on, buddy, I'll help you.
Peanuts. We're gonna have to let the
Look,
dog
Ellie.
wait. Peanuts. And the
I think
voice.
she likes peanuts better than I.
Peanut. Also, place where the wood goes. Peanut. That's a scab of my peanut. Okay, maybe we should said good enough said peanuts.
A horsey. Do you love him?
Oh, I'm trying.
I think there's more horsies in there, Daddy.
Okay.